If Gamma is giving you a save error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your work saving properly again. This is one of those issues that can be really frustrating, especially when you've spent time building a presentation or document and suddenly Gamma refuses to save your changes. The good news is that, in many cases, the problem is caused by a simple connection issue, a browser extension, or stale cache data, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe to the channel for more quick software fixes and tutorials. That way, you'll always have easy solutions when apps stop working the way they should. First, check your internet connection. Even a very small network drop can interrupt Gamma's autosave process and make it look like the app is broken. If your connection is unstable, Gamma may pause saving changes until the connection is restored. Try refreshing your page, switching from Wi-Fi to a more stable network, or restarting your router if needed. If you're on a laptop, you can also turn airplane mode on and off to force a fresh connection. Once your internet is stable, go back to Gamma and see if the save error is gone. Next, disable any ad blockers, privacy shields, or browser extensions that might interfere with Gamma. These tools can sometimes block the WebSocket connections Gamma uses to send live updates to your workspace. If that happens, the app may load normally, but your edits won't sync properly. To test this, temporarily turn off extensions like ad blockers, tracker blockers, script blockers, or privacy protection tools, then reload Gamma and try saving again. If the save error disappears, you've found the cause. From there, you can either keep the extension disabled for Gamma or add Gamma to the extension's allow list. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to clear stale cache and cookies in your browser. Over time, your browser can store broken session tokens or outdated temporary files that stop Gamma from updating correctly. Clearing this data forces the site to start fresh and often fixes weird loading or saving problems. To do this, open your browser settings, go to privacy or site data, and clear cookies and cached files for Gamma, or clear the browser data entirely if needed. After that, sign back into Gamma and test the save function again. In many cases, this one step is enough to solve the problem. Now let's check server status. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. If Gamma's infrastructure is experiencing a localized outage or a system degradation, saving may fail for everyone using the platform. In that case, no amount of refreshing or clearing cache will fix it until Gamma resolves the server-side problem. Go to the official Gamma status page and check whether the web app, database, or saving services are reporting issues. If you see an outage, the best move is to wait and try again later. If everything is showing as operational, then you know the problem is more likely on your browser or network side. At this point, if Gamma still won't save, try one final quick reset. Close the tab completely, reopen Gamma in a fresh browser window, and sign in again. If possible, test the app in a different browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to rule out a browser-specific issue. A clean session can often bypass hidden problems that build up during a long editing session. So to recap, the main fixes for a Gamma app save error are: stabilize your internet connection, disable ad blockers and privacy extensions, clear your cache and cookies, and check the official server status page. Those 4 steps solve most save issues and help you get back to editing without losing progress. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.